Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be another Bath & Body Works haul. I have some summer items. I think some of them might have been left over from the semi-annual sale. There were some really great deals, so I did multiple purchases during that. And then I have some fall items to share with you as well. It is definitely not fall yet, and I always try so hard in the month of August to not purchase any fall scents. But it's so hard because they have all the fall scents out in the store, and fall is my favorite time of year at Bath & Body Works because the scents are amazing. So I did want to share some of the fall fragrances or items that I picked up as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see what goodies I picked up at Bath & Body Works, then just keep watching. So before we get into the haul, I quickly wanted to mention two fragrances that I've been loving the last few weeks. They are from the brand or company Dossier. I've mentioned them in many videos. They are awesome because they sell designer-inspired fragrances for $29, and they keep expanding their selections, which is nice. So pretty much if you have any designer fragrance that you've been eyeballing but you don't want to shell out $100+, check their site, and I'm telling you, the perfumes and colognes are just like the real deal. So I have two right here. I have Gourmand White Flowers. I haven't reached for this one in a while, but this is inspired by, but literally smells just like Viktor and Rolf's Flower Bomb, which I own and paid like $120, $130 for a few years ago, which is insane. This is $29. I kid you not, you guys, it smells just like the real deal. Do not go unless you want to spend over $100. Do not do it. Just go to Dossier and get this. Smells just like the real deal. The notes are bergamot, green tea, freesia berries, white flowers, orchid, rose, musk, patchouli, caramel, and vanilla. I love this one. And then another one that I have been reaching for, I don't do it as often, but I have been liking it. It's a really nice, clean scent, is Fruity Magnolia, and it is inspired by and smells just like Versace Bright Crystal. It's just a really nice, clean scent. I really like it. The notes for this are pomegranate, yuzu, aquatic accord, magnolia, peony, rose, amber musk, and acaju wood, if I'm saying that correctly. So I did want to shout these out and recommend them. And I also wanted to mention that Dossier has a new payment method that allows you to earn store credit on every purchase. It's called Catch. So when you go to checkout, if you sign up for Catch, you get a $10 sign-on bonus, and then every order you get 10% store credit. So if you guys are interested in Dossier, again, I will have them linked down below. First, let's start off with candles. I have two to share with you. I did not purchase any fall candles yet. I'm really trying to hold off because that's where I go crazy in the fall. Like, I really do. They have them all out, but I'm like, you know what? Let's just stick to the summer scents, try to burn all my summer candles up, and then, you know, by the end of August, I can start diving into all the fall candles. So this one right here, I purchased because I had the fragrance bulb of it, and it's called Pink Lemonade. That's what this candle is, but the fragrance bulb smelled so nice. I don't know if it was an online only scent. I did get it during the semi-annual sale. So then I saw that they had the candle, and this smells so nice, you guys. It's similar to watermelon lemonade and pink watermelon. I'm gonna read the notes to you. The notes are sweet strawberry puree, acai berries, fresh lemonade, and sugar. And it smells really nice. You really smell the lemonade, you guys. So I actually ended up picking two candles of this scent up, and I think I was getting these candles for like around $10, you guys, because of the semi-annual sale. I'm not sure if they have this on their website still. You can double check, but this scent is really nice. And then I also wanted to pick up another summer boardwalk. I just love this scent, and I actually think this is a nice scent going into fall as well. It smells almost like a fall candle. That's just my personal opinion. And also the bulb and the throw is amazing. You will smell this everywhere in your house. So the notes for Summer Boardwalk are caramel glazed popcorn, worn taffy apples, salty sweet cream with natural essential oils. So these are the two candles that I got. And side note, the other day I actually got coupons in the mail. It's been about like 5 months since I've received coupons. They were in my husband's name, which is weird. Still waiting for the ones that come in my name, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. I really hope I start to receive more coupons in the mail. It's weird because I get different responses. I think in the last video I told you that customer service told me that only like random people get coupons. Not everybody gets coupons anymore. But then when I asked them in the store, they said that wasn't true. So it's like, I don't know. But anyways, I did want to mention that. And also, I think almost all the stores are going to begin to be on board with their rewards program. I know my local store says that they are going to be participating with Bath & Body Works rewards program soon, which is great. I actually get really good coupons and rewards through the app, the Bath & Body Works reward app. The only problem is I get the reward points through online purchases because my store doesn't participate yet. So pretty soon I'll be able to start counting my in-store purchases through the reward app, which will be nice. So I wanted to mention those two things. Next, let's get into body lotions, body creams. The other day I was flipping through my emails and it said that all body lotions and creams were on sale for, I want to say $4.95 or $5.95. I honestly can't remember, but it even included the men's line as well. So I picked up this one. I think it's new. The lady was saying it's called Legend, and she said this one's really popular. And I really like it. My husband really likes it as well. So this one has hyaluronic acid and shea butter in it, and it says the notes are bergamot, rich oak, and sandalwood reserve. Next one right here is brand new. I think it just came out, and I'm like, you know what? Let's try it out. They're on sale today. Typically, I don't try out all the new scents and fragrances because half the time I just don't end up liking them. I like to stick with champagne toast, strawberry pound cake in the fall, sweater weather, or sweet cinnamon pumpkin, and then like around the holidays, I like winter candy apple, and I feel like that's really it for like the body lotions and creams. Other scents I kind of just don't really care for. I'll try them out and I just don't. This one is definitely a new one, you guys. I hope that they expand this. They make body lotions and like everything in it. It is called Pinkberry Clouds. This is a new favorite. I love it. They only have the cream and I think the fragrance mist, but you guys, oh my goodness. I love this. I think they should make this a year-round scent. I'm going to read the notes in a second. I'm just going to put some on me right now so I can smell it. So the notes for this are strawberry sponge sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. Like, that's it. But you guys, it's different, but it smells so nice. Would 100% highly recommend this. And the last body lotion that I got was the champagne apple and honey. And this one does not say it has the hyaluronic acid in it. It has coconut oil, shea butter, vitamin E. So maybe it's just for the body creams they're doing the hyaluronic acid. The notes for this are crisp apples, sparkling champagne, jasmine honey, and autumn woods. Now, this one smells nice, but I feel like I'm like 50-50 with it. Especially for the fall. Once fall comes around, my favorites are sweet cinnamon pumpkin and sweater weather. Sweater weather is the best body lotion ever. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, I could switch it up, but I figured since it was on sale, I would try it out. So those are the 3 body lotions and body creams that I got. Again, you guys need to try this one out. It is so nice and you smell it all day long. And then next are fragrance plugs. I did swap some out because I had some that just weren't spreading the oils in the bulbs properly. That happens after a while and I just can't smell the oils. It's not spreading to my liking. They're guaranteed for life, so you can swap them out for a new one without a receipt for free. They just have to be comparable. Like, you can't get a decorative one for a basic one. This is the first one that I got. It's kind of just like a lantern with some little cute fall leaves on it. I thought that was cute, and it's a night light as well. And the next one that I got is this one right here. It's an owl, but it says that it is a twinkle. It says I twinkle, so I still don't know what it looks like yet. It says this wallflower plug is a hoot. Plug in this whimsical owl to reveal a warm fiber optic illumination within his belly. So I'm really excited about this one, you guys. It's a nightlight as well, so I got this little owl guy. And then, let's see, this one I think I just purchased outright. This is just kind of, you know, it's not basic, but it is. But I thought it was different, so I purchased this one outright. And then this one right here, I think I swapped out again. It's just another kind of like pretty gold flower. I thought this one kind of looks like a sunflower a little bit. I thought it would be good for September as well. So those are the plugs that I purchased slash swapped out. And then lastly are bulbs. I just feel like I've been going bulb crazy. They've been having really good deals with the bulbs. So I think I was getting these bulbs. They were on sale 5 for $18, 7 for $24. So that's actually a really good deal. And I had a 20% coupon, which was nice. So it's a little hard because for the bulbs, they did not have any more summer boardwalk because I wasn't even going to purchase any fall scents yet for the bulbs. But they really just didn't have any other than fall out. So this one right here, actually, they did have out strawberry pound cake because it is a year-round scent. I will read this to you. It is fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. So I figured I'd get another one of those. And then I got Honey Crisp Apple. This one, I'm not entirely sure what it smells like, but I'm sure I'm going to love it. The notes for this are golden, honey crisp, apple blossom, and fresh sugar cane. So I got a few of the Honey Crisp Apple. I think they might have a candle in that as well. Then I got some more of the Apple Weather. You guys, this Apple Weather, oh my goodness, this might be the most powerful bulb. Like, I am not joking. After a couple weeks, you don't really smell it as much anymore, but for like 2 weeks straight, it was almost, it was like overwhelming, but I kind of like overwhelming. This one smelled so nice. The notes for Apple Weather are fresh autumn apples, cedarwood trail, and cinnamon bark. I hope they make a candle of this for the fall because it will be really nice. It reminds me a little bit of the scent autumn. It says fresh autumn apples, so that's probably why. Then let's see what else. I actually did pick up the bulb autumn. I love this. I'm going to give the candle another shot. Every year I give the candle a shot, and it's just not as powerful as the bulb, and I can barely smell it when it's lit. I have to like be over it to smell it. It doesn't spread in a room, so I'm gonna give autumn another chance. I do love the way it smells, but for the candle, I don't know, I have issues with it. The notes for autumn are gala apple, juicy fig, eucalyptus leaf, and fir balsam. So this one is really nice. And then let's see if I have any other new ones. Oh, and last but not least, because you guys probably could have guessed, they have my favorite scent for the fall, pumpkin pecan waffles. Pumpkin pecan waffles, excuse me, is back in full effect. Although I was disappointed last year, the body care did not smell entirely like the candle or the bulb, but this bulb is really nice. I love pumpkin pecan waffles for the fall. Every year I do it. You guys know if you watch these videos, pumpkin pecan waffles is maple syrup, golden waffles, and pumpkin spice. It smells so nice. So I picked up a couple of these. Come September, I will be just like purchasing so many more of these. So I was getting them for a really good deal. The 7 for $24 or the 5 for $18 is a really good deal. Plus I had the 20% coupon. They also did tell me that they are sending coupons in email sometimes to check them. So like we'll see. But I also forgot to grab, but I purchased I think 1 or 2 Pocket Back hand sanitizers. I purchased Sweater Weather, and then I think I purchased a strawberry pound cake. I'm not really sure. I forgot to grab them. But that is it for the items that I got. I will have another haul probably in the next couple weeks. We have fall stuff out in Bath & Body Works. It's very tempting. I'm trying to wait to the end of August to kind of just go full in and start buying candles and everything else that is part of their fall goodness. But anyways, let me know what scents and fragrances you've been loving at Bath & Body Works. Have you purchased any fall scents yet? I'd be curious to find out, but anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.